If you have Xfinity, activating Peacock is quick and easy. Start by opening the Peacock app or visiting peacocktv.com, then choose Sign in with a cable provider. Select Comcast Xfinity and log in using your Xfinity ID and password. Once verified, Peacock links instantly to your account. If you're using Xfinity Flex, the process is even simpler. Just launch the Peacock app on your Flex device and it activates automatically, no extra sign in required. Many Xfinity Internet and TV plans include Peacock Premium at no extra cost, though some plans may require a paid upgrade for full premium access. Xfinity recently added a QR code activation option inside the Xfinity app, making linking even faster. You'll just need your Xfinity login details and billing zip code. After activation, you can stream Peacock on multiple devices, use up to 3 simultaneous streams, and even download content for offline viewing on supported plans. Bundling Peacock with Xfinity means one account, no separate billing, shared data limits, and built in parental controls. Once activated, you're ready to enjoy Peacock originals, movies, shows, and live sports seamlessly.